Hey, this is graysvws coming at you with the new short hauls.
Heading to Lexington, North Carolina, to a field, a yard that used to be an old VW shop way back in the day, and it's been closed up for probably 20-25 years. I can't believe I'd never heard of it or knew anything about it, but he's got a pile of Volkswagen still abandoned out in the woods, including a couple pretty unique special ones. So keep watching, and we're about 2 hours away, and
here we go. Bringing with us Mr. McGill himself. You excited?
No.
it's in between 5 cars in the woods, so probably gonna have to unhook the trailer, hook a strap to it, and yank it out of where it is, the mud, and then worry about getting loaded on the trailer. It ain't gonna be tricky. It ain't gonna be easy. It's gonna be tricky.
It'd been nice you'd have that guy go over there and kind of, you know, pan the way to it or something.
There's our reinforcements. Did you bring some good stuff?
Thinking about it.
We are currently following
It wasn't him down there, was it?
yeah, keep going, he's in the white truck. We're following him to where these buses are. Womack's coming in suit for the chainsaw, or with the chainsaw and a couple other tools that we're gonna need. And I'm interested. Grayson, you've been there before?
I have.
Where it is? Okay.
It's a cow pasture. It is a cow pasture that used to be a Volkswagen graveyard, junkyard.
All right.
This bus we're going to get was driven to where it's parked. It still has the original tires on it. I could tell by the brand with the bias pods that are on it.
Yeah. More on that later.
Exciting.
I can tell how excited you are. We have been granted access. And away we go. Volkswagen's here.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing. It keeps on going and going.
Could have been one of the coolest buses I think I've ever come across. They come from not far from here. Welcome, North Carolina. It was driven to where it's parked.
Too bad they didn't park it. Out there, it's clear.
There it is, 1959. Originally a Cinex red walk-through panel, which is really unique because it's got the vents in the back, which walk-throughs don't have. So I'm anxious to find out more about the details on it, the nerd stuff. A gas station, Texaco gas station in Welcome, North Carolina, not far from here, had it when it was brand new, and I only used it a few years because it still got the original tires on it. It was driven to where it's parked. You'll be able to check it out a whole lot better once we get it pulled out of here. And here's the man right here.
Now I can see her a little bit better. They cleared it out. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Quite a bit of wood and such in here. It's the dash right there. Beautiful.
Yeah. He's doing the dirty work.
I ain't no dummy. I ain't no sap.
Nut. Alright, we're going to pull this thing out of here. I know that tree's hanging on by a thread right here. Look at that. It's got to come out.
Not bad for 15 grand.
Was that easier or more difficult or about what you thought it'd be?
I'm gonna say easier.
All right. Yeah, we had a wonderful help there.
Can't wait to peek underneath this thing.
Let's put this one on the back, and we'll wrap this around the top for the whole thing. And we'll be good.
Luckily, the guy that owned all these cars also has a Kubota dealership, so what better person to buy a bus from in the woods? Well, we made it home with the TEXACO bus. Womack and Cheyenne and my dad they're at home now. I just figured I'd bring it onto the shop and get it cleaned out. And to my surprise, this is the craziest thing. Now, the way this thing was in the woods, you couldn't really open the doors, and I didn't even try to. I just bought it and I didn't even open the doors. And I just now opened the doors, and this is the craziest thing that I've ever just randomly found in a bus. Check it out. An early Honda Z50. An early one, like I don't know, 69 or 70. Just in the bus, no idea it was there. But he said, when I bought it, he said, it comes with all the crap that's inside of it. I don't know what the generator is, but the Z50, I'm pretty stoked about. Crazy. I'll take it.